Glam Fam, welcome back to my channel. It's Jasmine Roma here. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this really nice, warm, glowy autumn look. It was created using the Klara Cosmetics palette. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, what products we use, then just keep on watching. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel and join the Glam Fam today. Just hit that subscribe button. Don't just be one of those people who sit back behind their computers or phones and just watch me. Like, you need to come and join the Glam Fam today and become a part of the action and become a part of the family. Hit that notification button so you know every time that I post one new video every week. Thank you so much for being here and keep on watching. This is the Klara Cosmetics #1 Pro palette. When I saw it, I opened it up and had a look at the shades. What does this look like to you? I saw it and I immediately thought, what, is this like a dupe for the Bronze Palette by Kylie Jenner? So it looks like almost exactly the same. I actually have that palette, but I will hold up like a picture of it. This is the Kylie Cosmetics Bronze Palette here. Yeah, as you can see, that is the Klara Cosmetics one, and here is the Kylie Cosmetics one. So they look really similar. They each come with 9 shadows. This one says 100% color pigmentation. I'm gonna swatch this shade. That's orange. They are quite pigmented, I'm not gonna lie. Also, this one is really pretty too. Beautiful. I can't say I can compare it to the Kylie ones because I've never actually tried out the Kylie eyeshadow before, but that shade is absolutely stunning. And I want to try create a look using this palette. Another item that I picked up from TK MAXX, the Klara Cosmetics Selfie Queen Glow Kit. It's got really pretty packaging. It's rose gold and it's reflective, as you can see. It has got 4 shades and also 1 cream shade, and they also have a little plastic protective thing over there, which I really like so they don't mix or transfer. I want to try some of these out on my face too. With the MAC Prep and Prime, and this is also known as MAC Fix Plus. It's really great multi-purpose product. You can use it to prime your face, to set your face, to refresh and hydrate your makeup if you've got too much powder on. It has such a fine mister on it and it smells so beautiful, and I like how you can lock it like that. Okay, so I'm now going to try out this new product. This is the MAC Strobe Cream. Now, I've heard apparently you can use this sort of like a primer and you use it on the, but you only use it on the high points of your cheeks. So this is a sample size I actually got from my Mecca Beauty Loop box, which is awesome. It's a huge size. It's not a sample size, I think it's like a mini, but I'm pretty sure you just use it on like the high points of your face. About to see the world in action, what we can be. I'm now going to go in with a plumping balm. This is the Mecca Cosmetica multi-purpose plumping balm. This is really nice because it is like a moisturizer. You can use it as a primer, you can use it as a moisturizer for the face and neck. It's really nice. A pump as well, which I really like. Reminds me of the Too Faced Hangover Primer. Smells really yummy. I like to take some on my neck as well because no one wants a dry neck. Taking the Huda Beauty foundation. This is in the shade Dolce de Leche 350G. Go ahead and put this foundation on my face. So this foundation does not look this yellow in real life, I promise you. TK Cosmetics brush, just brush in the sides of my face just so that I make sure I don't have any foundation lines. Go ahead and do concealer. Using my LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is in the shade Light Ivory. I'm going to take my Pure Cosmetics blender and I'm going to just like blend out that concealer. Take some of my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to conceal a little bit more, and I'm also going to prime my eyelids with that. I'm going to just blend out the concealer. So now that all that concealer is down and in place, I'm going to set it using the rice powder. This is the one I'm going to be testing out. and it has not been opened yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm just opening the package now, and like, oof, already stuff is coming out of it. Oh, so yeah, it is very cheap packaging. This is not stuck on well, like it comes off real easy. A lot's already coming out. For my concealer creases, I'm gonna go ahead and try this rice powder out. I'm gonna bake under there, under my eyes, all the usual spots. I'm gonna go ahead and use the little puff it comes with. Smells like baby powder. I've just got a whiff of it up my nose. Definitely can smell that talcum in it. But also I would like to see whether this gives flashback or not. Take my blender and just put it in to the powder and like bake.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't.
So while the rest of that is baking on my face, I'm going to go ahead and use my MAC Studio Fix powder. This is in the shade NC30, and just set the rest of my face.
Life with no distractions, we'll get away.
Okay, so it is kind of hard to get off. It's actually leaving a white cast, really, really light cast underneath. That's a different color from my actual skin. Yeah, I do not like that at all. And now I'm super worried about what the under eye is going to look like. So I'm going to just sweep that off. To move on to doing my eyes, I'm going to be using the #1 palette by Klara Cosmetics. I'm going to go ahead and set my eyeshadow primer using the shade here. Go ahead and take that one. There's a lot of fallout. Look at that. To go in and take this shade here as a transition. So I want to take this orange shade there and kind of go in under the transition.
Cliche, we're on the run. This is what we waited for.
So now that I have that down, I'm going to go ahead and do a cut crease. I'm going to do a half cut crease. I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape, taking this little brush. Take this shade there, this goldy one. Take this flat packer brush from Morphe. This is a Morphe E10. You go into this, see how it works without some MAC Fix Plus. Okay, so I feel like it really, really does need some MAC Fix Plus, or I might actually try apply it with my finger. Yeah, it's like a million times better. The glitter in this shimmer is actually really quite chunky. Kind of use a glitter liner. So I've got this one from Tarte, and this is the White Gold Eye Jewels by Tarte, and I want to go ahead and kind of like just put a bit of glitter up the top. So that glitter is really pretty. It did get a bit messy and go over there, and do a winged eyeliner, Wish Me Luck, and this is the Tarte Man Eater liner. I'm going to switch over to another liner. I'm going to just finish this one off camera and do the glitter and the liner, and I'll be right back. Completed the other eye the same as this one. The eyeshadows are, the pigmentation of them were really good. There was actually a lot of fallout and kickback though. I've only used this palette once, and look how like mangled it is, especially this one. The glitter in that is really, really chunky, and when I was trying to like put a packet onto my eye, it didn't come across as nice as it looks when you swatch it. It's absolutely gorgeous, and then I wish it would like just convert to the eye looking the same. But I mean, mattes were quite nice and easy to blend. The shimmer was not that nice. I'm gonna actually go ahead and try this one here as like an inner corner highlight. And that is the first eyeshadow palette I've ever tried from TK MAXX. And I have done my eyebrows, and I've also contoured, and I've bronzed and put a bit of blush on. Yes, I'm gonna go in with the Klara Cosmetics highlighting palette, and I've never used this before. I have like lightly swatched one of them, but it's quite brand new, as you can see. There's also a cream one there. Got like this protective layer over it that you peel off. That's cool. I'm gonna swatch that cream one, and it's kind of like, it's like a nice pink cream highlight, but it's got like an iridescent shimmer to it. Oh, so that's actually quite pretty. It is a bit more like, I don't know if it really goes with my look. It's a bit more like festively. I'm gonna take my blender and just pat that in, but it is like, as you can see, got a purple shimmer to it, which is like kind of cute. Looks a bit weird because you can, like face on, you can see the purple, but side on, like it's kind of cute. So I really want to go in with this bronzy shade and highlight with that. I'm going to take my Morphe M510, go into this one and just highlight. It's quite powdery, if I'm going to be completely honest. See, this is nice, like this little cream one. You did have to blend it quite quickly and then it just kind of dried. But this gold one is a bit powdery. I mean, yeah, it is good, you can build it up though, but for me personally, I prefer just like a blinding highlight straight away, like just blinding. On the side it is pretty, but yeah, face on it's a bit strange looking. Look, even when I swatch them, they are really quite powdery, as you can see. Like, I actually like the cream one, which I'm gonna put on the inside too. See, I'm gonna put on the inner corners, which is beautiful. Oh, I didn't even expect to like the cream highlight, but I actually really do like this one. I don't like the powder ones, but I do like the cream one, which is just one, unfortunately. I wish there were like more cream ones. I'm gonna go ahead and put a lipstick on. The lipstick I'm using today is Clo Money by Klara Cosmetics. This is the Cocoa collection. It is a really beautiful shade and one of my favorites actually. As you can see, it's just like a beautiful pink shade. It's like a muted rose. It is so beautiful. I always opt for this lip color. Lately, what I've been liking to do is putting like a gloss over the top of my matte liquid lipstick. The lip gloss I've been absolutely loving is the Park Avenue Princess lip gloss by Tarte. This is really pretty. It has got gold glitter reflex in it and it's really nice. It's a Lip Surgeon's lip gloss. It smells absolutely beautiful and I love the applicator. So I'm gonna put that on top of my matte liquid lipstick. It's just so pretty. It has gold reflex in it. Okay, so that is the final look. And thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, subscribe, whatever, all that jazz. Thank you for watching and have a great day or night or wherever you are in this beautiful world, and I'll see you in my next video.
So thin that I spin like beer in my crew right here.